Hey guys, Cal here with the brand new Municipal Origin shoe, and I know we've been all really excited about seeing this shoe getting teased on social media, on Municipal's page and Mark Wahlberg's page, and we saw the come up of this sneaker on Mark Wahlberg's series, the Wall Street series on HBO. So it's really exciting to see this shoe finally hit the streets, and today we're going to do the on-feet look of this shoe as well as an unboxing. So let's get into it. All right guys, so when you get your shoes in the mail, they're gonna come in this black Municipal bag like you guys have probably seen before if you've ordered shirts or pants from them before. So comes in the same black sort of bag, just like that. And then we're gonna pull them out. And then you'll see the shoe box right here. Got your little packing slip, little Municipal packing slip right on top. And then we got the shoe box right here. Got your size tag right on the end, right there. Little saying, they got everyone starts somewhere, right on the end, right there. Little Municipal logo down there. And then you have that Municipal branding that wraps around the whole box like that. And then you got the dream, the plan, the hustle, all that stuff right on the front. And then got that little M. logo right on the back. So pretty sweet looking box actually. And then open it up. You see we got the M float Municipal technology right there, the Municipal logo up there, and then you have that carrying bag that we have seen in all the teasers right there. I'm going to take a closer look at these now. All right guys, so we'll take the carrying bag out of the box here, just like that. And you'll see in the bottom of the box, got the dream, the plan, the hustle again, right on the bottom. So on your carrying bag here, you will see you got the little Municipal logo right there. Got the Municipal logo over the whole top, just like that. And then your little size tag, giving you the colorway and the size that these ones are right there on the bag. So I really like that. It's a pretty tough paracord handle to the carrying bag here. So pretty strong, like you can carry pretty much, you know, any kind of shoes in there. It's going to be pretty good. And then once you get the bag open, you will find there's a little pockets on the inside of the carrying case like this, where maybe you can toss some wrist wraps or things like that you're going to use at the gym into that. And then you'll find the shoes wrapped in the tissue paper. So we will unwrap those right now. So here they are. These are the cement, the charcoal, and the forest. So you will see you got that green on the bottom, you got the M float technology right there, and then you have that Municipal logo right around the rear of the shoe. And this is all suede right here, you'll see. So you have all that, and then it's kind of like a gray canvas material right in the center here. I don't know if you can make that out, but it's pretty nice, pretty high-end looking right there. Got that green accent stitching right in there, and that green pull cord in the back to help you get the shoes on at the gym. And then you have that nice green sort of also suede material up on the tongue here with that Municipal Sport Utility Gear logoing. And then I really like that they've done this because on the sole of the shoe on the inside, you got the dream, the plan, the hustle, all on the bottom of the shoe inside. And then the bottom too, it's kind of like building blocks. You know, you're building your dream, your plan, your ambitions. You got all these bricks, those building blocks on the bottom. And then you got the M for the Municipal on the bottom. And then that underlay, that whole Municipal word on the underlay of the sole there on the bottom. All right guys, I just wanted to break the video up here and let you know I don't normally do shoe reviews. I normally do brand new car reviews. So if you guys watch a lot of car reviews, you're interested in that content as well, subscribe to the channel now to see more videos just like that. But let's get back on with the shoe review. And I really like this colorway out of all the ones on the website. I was on the fence between this colorway, and there's like a highlighter yellow that I'll put over the screen for you guys right here that I was also interested in, but I like these because the Municipal branding was a little bit more prominent on the forest colorway on these ones. So really like that. After you unwrap this, you'll see obviously you got the second shoe right there. These are just, I love this green, you know, I think it really can just go with any outfit, you know, put some jeans on, some khakis on. I think these are gonna go with like everything you wanna wear with it. So these are great shoes. And then on the inside too, what I liked about this is they also included some green shoelaces too, because we all know how hard it is to keep these white shoelaces white. You know, over time, no matter how clean you keep your shoes, the white shoelaces just start to fade after a while. So after those start to kind of fade away and, you know, start to get yellow or whatever, I think I'm gonna throw these green laces in. And I really like these because they just accent the color on the tongue so well, and the color of the sole. I think it makes all the green that's on the shoe pop even a little more. So pretty excited to put those in eventually, but I love that they include that for us. So you got that little breathable material up on the front, on the toe box right there. And then, yeah, that whole sole right there. I really just love the whole look of this shoe. And I really wanted to include my Yeezy 350 Boost, because these shoes, when I ordered these, I ordered them because, well, first, they were really popular back when I was in high school, so they were always kind of one of those halo shoes. But when I ordered these, they were, you know, unexpectedly one of the most comfortable shoes that I added to my collection out of absolutely nowhere. So I was really excited to see how comfy these things were, but they don't really feel solid on the foot. Like, I never feel like they're comfortable as like a casual shoe, but I don't really feel like I can do like a really hardcore workout in these. Whereas like these, it's really cool because these are just as comfortable as the Yeezys in my opinion, but these things feel a little bit more solid on the foot. Like they feel a little tighter around the foot than say the Yeezys do. These feel a little more lax for like a casual day, whereas like these are just a little bit tighter than the Yeezys around the foot, and they kind of make for a better workout overall because they feel a little bit more solid on your feet. But I would say overall, these things are equal in comfort. So if you guys have the Yeezys and you like those and you like the comfort on those, I think you'll definitely like the new Municipal shoes. And to round out my thoughts on this shoe, I know a lot of people online have been saying that $180 is too much money for the shoe, and I agree, $180 is a lot of money. However, when you look at some of the other shoes in this price range, I think that it's really not a bad deal at all, especially for the comfort that this shoe offers. My Adidas Ultra Boost 21s, which also retailed for $180, were so uncomfortable that I essentially just stopped wearing them. But these shoes have a solid feel on the foot, but still have that athletic edge when you need it. So if you're looking for a shoe that you can style casually and a shoe that's still athletic enough to take to the gym, I would seriously consider the new Municipal Origin shoe.